Hello guys, this is project number 8. Yes, 8 na agad tayo, excited me. After ko natapos yung mga bangkito, sabi ko ay bored pa ako, kailangan may gawin pa ako. Kaya naisipan kong gumawa nito. Guys, panoorin nyo to hanggang dulo. Parang hindi nila nagustuhan. Pinaghirapan ko pa naman to, may puso-puso pa. Dalawa kaya yung puso, isa sa'yo, isa sa akin. Ay, wait lang, joke ba yun? So siya, let's go, keep on watching! Yeah, let's see if they like it. Hi, Pickles. Do you like it, Pickles? Wow, he likes it. And now let's see Blue.
Come, Blue. Blue, come here. I have surprise for you, Blue. Come. Ready? Wow. Ay. Blue.
Okay, let's try again.
Blue, there you go, Blue. Yan. Blue. Hi, Blue. Here. Blue. Hi. Blue, you don't like it? What? Blue. How about Jane? Tara, come. Come on, Jane. Come, Jane. Come. Come. I have surprise for Jane. Okay? Okay, Jane. I have a swing for you. Okay, let's see if you like it. Go. Come on, go. Yan! Wow! Jane likes it. Yan! Oh, touch na yan. I'm glad you like it, Jane.